Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Adunni of ADUNNI'S Space again, and today we are going to be making this beautiful hairstyle together, and I just can't wait to share all the details about the extension and the hair with you guys as we proceed in today's video. Make sure you watch up until the end, and yes, I have something special for you guys in the description box, so make sure to click the description box and check. Okay, now let's get straight into the video. The extension we're going to be using is from Hotbraids, and we're just going to unbox it together. So in this silk bag, we have first the card that contains the instruction on how to use the bulk hair, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys as we continue making the hair. The next thing I have in this bag is this beautiful mesh. So it's a tote bag that also has Hotbraids on it. And before we go into the hair, I know, just hold on, we're going to unbox this together. So this has all the combs you need to actually make your hair. From this to this and this. Now to the big reveal. I was sent 5 pieces of the Afro Kinky bulk human hair extension from Hotbraids. So this is what it looks like, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we are going to go straight into the tutorial, but first I would want to show you guys how to prep the extension so it's easier for you to use when you get yours. I'll have a discount code in the description box and on the screen for you guys. So you want to carefully remove the hair net that it was packed in. Now that we have the hair net away from the hair, this is what the hair looks like. So you want to go like this. And what you're basically doing is just fluffing out the hair extension. Now you want to go in beads. Right, you guys can see how easy it was for me to pull that out. In case I forgot to mention, this is in their color black, and this is how long it stretches. So you want to just make sure that you have it in beads, as it's easier to work with that way, as you guys can see. And now we're going to go ahead to prep my hair and go into making my kinky twist. So I'm working with a washed and already dried hair, and all I'm doing at this point is to moisturize my hair and also to pre-part it to make making my hair easier. So you just want to make sure that you pre-part your hair into maybe 3 or 4 sections or 6 sections, depending on how long and how full your hair is. If you've been working with your hair, you would know that. So for me, it is to go in to put it into 3 different sections, the back into 1 and the front side into 2. And I am using the clips that was sent to me from Hotbraids. Thank you, Hotbraids. So, and I'm going in a center part. You can decide to go in any part you want to have your hair styled in. Okay, so for me it's center part. It's like my favorite part to go because it's just easier to style when it is in center part. So we're going to go into the main tutorial now, and please do not forget to click the subscribe button if you enjoy this video. So immediately I finished parting my hair, I went ahead to prep my Afro Kinky Bulk Human Hair extension, and it feels so soft. And I tried comparing it with my natural hair, and it's almost the same thing. I was showing it to my husband, and he could barely tell the difference between my hair and the extension. He actually picked the Afro Kinky Bulk hair as my hair in place of my actual hair. That is how much it feels like your natural hair. And I am basically just showing you guys how to grip your hair from the roots, and it is super easy if you actually watch closely. I showed you guys one more time again as we continue in the video, and you just want to see that I started it by gripping it with my hair from the root. I braided it about 4 to 5 times, and I went ahead to start twisting the Afro Kinky Bulk Human hair around my hair, and it's just the best feel because it doesn't feel coarse. It feels very soft, and it feels like I am actually making a longer version of my actual hair. That is exactly the best way I can describe it. It feels just like my natural hair, and I absolutely love it. So you want to make sure to keep watching and see how I twisted one more, and to show you guys how to grip it from the root and the final results. So guys, this is the final look, and I absolutely love this hair. It feels as though I twisted my natural hair, like the longer version of my natural hair. So I'm going to go in to just spray water over it, and spraying water over it makes it feel so soft. Like, it feels so soft. I was sharing like the fallout from this hair and the fallout from my hair with my husband, and I asked him to tell me which one he thinks is my hair. Guys, he picked the Afro Bulk Human hair as my hair texture. And I'm like, excuse you, that's the extension, not my hair. And it's super lightweight. It is also reusable, so you're getting value for your money. Yes. So I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the description, in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my very next one. Make sure to click the subscribe button before leaving the channel.